Hi friends, I am back with this another new tutorial. You can see as in thumbnail, it is very awesome and beautiful tutorial. You can also edit your images exactly like this. All you have to do is simply follow my video and download this super awesome PNG. I only created this PNG. I will give this link in the description. You can go and download it. Okay, all you have to do is download this PNG and follow my video. Okay, let's check in the video without wasting time. Don't forget to subscribe if you really enjoy this video. Friends, first of all you have to open Snapseed app and you have to add your photo which you are going to edit by tapping on the plus. By tapping on this plus you have to add your model image. Tap on. Friends, this is the model image I am going to use now. Now directly go to pencil. As you can see there is a border on the top, so I am going to crop it first. Okay. Now what I am doing is, it is very simple and easy tutorial. Now directly go to pencil and see for black and white. You can see here black and white. Tap on this black and white and tap on this dark. Okay, now we can see the picture is darker and keep the brightness -20 and contrast +20 and tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to go to here, tap on this view edits and tap on this black and white, tap on this pencil, and what you have to do is you have to start erase the background and you have to keep the model like this and you have to make the background darker. It will take time, so I am going to do in fast forward mode. Friends, it is how it look like after erasing the background completely. The model is like this. Now what you have to do is you have to save this image here in this Snapseed app and you have to jump into the Picsart app. Okay, tap on this, save this image in the Snapseed and jump into the Picsart. See you in Picsart app. Friends, now I brought that image which I saved in Snapseed, I brought to the Picsart. Now we have to add one PNG. I created one new PNG for this concept, special concept. So I am going to add that PNG by going to the add photo and I will give this PNG link in the description. You can go and download there. Friends, this is a PNG I created. Now what I am going to do is, now I am going to simply zoom in this PNG. Okay, and bring it down like this. Okay, bring it down and arrange it in the middle. Now what I am doing is tap on this eraser. Now simply erase on this face. Okay, this is one beautiful concept and it is very simple and easy tutorial, so you can also edit easily. Okay, done. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to erase this love. By mistake I created this page, I added this love symbol. Now tap on tick. Okay, done. Finally our special concept love photo editing tutorial is ready. Now I have to go to tools, go to adjust. If you want you can simply adjust a little bit by adding this saturation a little bit, the clarity a little bit. Now done. Okay, done. Our concept is ready and I hope you learn this tutorial easily and edit your images exactly like this. All you have to do is simply follow my video and save, and you have to first you have to edit in Snapseed and further you have to edit in this Picsart and download this PNG. Okay, it is very simple and easy tutorial. Okay, now go to draw and tap on this three dots, save your image. I hope my teaching is good, and if you really enjoy this video please consider subscribe and share to your friends and don't forget to like the video. See you next video with new photo concept editing tutorial.